So, you never hear this, but there is such a thing as Illustrator block. It's the same thing as writer's block to a T. So I'm going to keep this video really short. Feel free to check out the writer's block if you want as well. But it's basically getting back to that childlike state from which we create. We are born into this world creators. That's why toddlers and little, as soon as they can crawl, give them something, they'll play with it, whatever. But they start creating, right? They start making things. They start making shapes in the sand. It's natural for us to create. And the older we get, then we create stories and ideas and visual things, and we build things. So it's in our nature, but life tends to also beat that out of us a lot. So we forget that it's part of our nature. So when you're going through writer's block or illustrator's block, artist block, you're trying to get back to that childlike state. And there's lots of tips. You can get them online. People share them. You'll some of them will work for you, some won't. You can create your own. But really, it's about, especially for the visual part, you really got to get back to that kid in a sandbox state. And so to do that, whatever relaxes you to do that. And if you can inspire yourself too by watching movies, maybe a type of special genre movie that's going to get you back in the zone. Maybe you're doing a space book, so you put on one of your favorite space movies, or put on cartoons if it gets you. Nostalgia gets you back. Put on Saturday morning cartoons. They have on YouTube where you can watch 6 to 8 hours straight. All these videos where they're 6 to 8 hours with commercials of Saturday morning cartoons from the 70s, 80s, 90s. You just pick it. So you can go back to nostalgia, be a kid, go out, do things that our kids would do to play to get you back in that state. Whatever. There's so many things. Playing with your dog, whatever does it for you, you'll figure it out. But what you're trying to do, be it writer's block, but especially visual storyteller block, illustrator's block, you are trying to get back into that childlike creative state. So you're looking for things that you know put you into that state. And once you're deep into this state, then run back to whatever it is, your canvas or your computer, and get back to it. But yes, for any authors that happen to also be watching this, or newbie illustrators that think they were the only one, no, artists get blocks too. There has been times where I've literally silly been pacing back and forth in front of the computer when I need to be illustrating something, but I've gotten so blocked and stressed. So then I finally go, stop pacing, hey, and then I'll go out and do something to get myself back in that childlike state. And then I go back in the right state of mind. So the wave or artist block, whatever it takes to get you back to that childhood state, or an inspiration as well, anything that would inspire you related to the project you're on. All right, good luck.